Yo, people, what go on? Your boy dance all mojo. Is it? People is Jackie them on cracker sitting. Right now, people are bare fucking Jackie are going with my line now. Jackie come turn the next Mr. Vegas, you know, people. Yeah, man. Can I come like say, yo, Jackie, you move to bossy Jackie. Jackie, you move to cockety. Zimmy. Jackie, you need to chill, Jackie. Jackie, remember when you there prison and every son man has a free Jackie? Hmm? Every single son man has a free Jackie. And now because you have a little bag of money and thing, I know you want to come a hype on the son man them and tell some man them say, yo. And now they don't love play for some man if them money not tall or if them this or if them that. You see me? And what you when you in a jail with son man with son man as a free Jackie. You see me? Every single son man. That's a free Jackie. You see it, cause remember when I think used to keep a Mandeville we call Blase Blase. Dog, every Wednesday you go Blase. Free Jackie. Free Jackie. Free this. I know Jackie you make a bag of money, you come from prison and make a little bag of money and thing and you just hype off a little safe. You see your cash right off the other day and you're lucky in a Jackie and dead in a boy. I don't check them and check them still about the way you live you're dead because you're not think. I'm gonna feel say you're a Rasta, you're supposed to cut off the hair, you see me? Because you're not think like you're a Rasta. You see me? You think like you sell out your Rastafari community, Jackie. You see me, Jackie, you bow. You see me, Jackie. Your man, if you easy yourself, Jackie, man, if you easy.